Beast: The Last Ship is TV's summer blockbuster and will be the show to beat all season long.
Stay back! If I open this, the virus will kill everybody on this ship.
Every day we don't come home with a vaccine is a day another 500,000 people die.
No government, no politics.
Welcome to Gitmo.
Your captain's hiding something from you.
All hands, man your battle station.
It's the Russians.
I know everything about you and your mission.
You cannot win.
He'll chase us till the ends of the earth.
Sir!
Assume the worst until we learn more.
I've got 10 more down.
This is not my fault.
Cease and desist all rescue operation. This is my final transmission.
You killed 4 billion people. You weaponized the virus. You're patient zero.
The Last Ship. New episodes Sundays at 9.